Well, hello. It's Dr. August Dunning, and I do these nifty little beach walks talking about dry fasting. And I thought I'd come out of the darkness and get back to the beach a little bit here. I have been completely engrossed in finishing off my latest book on manifesting, and it is done, and it will be released on July 1st. So I thought what I might do is just sort of talk about the books I've written, because they are pretty neat. And there's a theme to it. You know, my idea is to not die. Not only that, to become young again. And dry fasting is one way to do it. So the Phoenix Protocol is part of that theory and part of the mechanism that I think will do this because of one of the major things. The Phoenix Protocol talks about the ability to stimulate an endogenous stem cell reproduction. These are done outside the country for about $25,000 a shot, but it's only one type of stem cell, usually the hematopoietic stem cells from bone marrows and from umbilical cords from who knows who. This one is a way to have all 220 niches regenerate themselves. All the organs, all the systems, all that stuff, all in 5 to 7 days. So there's a big deal there because they can replace the loss of somatic cells, which is just an attrition rate you really can't fight for the telomere loss. But stem cells have telomerase, which puts the telomeres back on the gene strand, so they kind of are approaching immortality. Okay, that's fine. So I wrote the second book, Neogenesis, because dry fasting is not a panacea for everything, especially for bone density and muscle strength. And in this book, I showed you how to very easily work out in the gym on a couple of very interesting supplements that allows you to open up a window that suppresses the growth hormone suppressor to have more growth hormone so that you can hit these triggers when you lift to fail. It doesn't take much. You get to a weight where you just can't lift it. In fact, you almost have to have a person lift it for you and have you hold it. It's called a static hold. That's the trigger. If you do that, your muscles can't help but adjust to that trigger point and get stronger. It goes into the problem of generating osteocalcin, which is what strength exercising does, some running, sprinting for instance, but bicycling doesn't because you need the impact and the stress to stress the periosteum to release osteocalcin, which is used all over the body. Then the next book was Staying Here, which is the idea that why is it that we do age, why is it that we do degenerate, and why is it that everybody lasts to about 70, 80, 90 years, and that's it. Doesn't matter what you do. You may be a little healthier during that time period, but you're going to end because of iron loading. How to get rid of it. And found out that during a dry fast, you get rid of a lot of your iron, which may be a big reason why you feel so much better after dry fasting. You've gotten rid of the antagonists that's inside the cells that are causing all the inflammation. My most recent book, which will be published and released on the 1st, is The Science Behind Manifesting. And it brings up a lot of concepts that people have not really thought of. It brings up the histories of things that were kept from us, and it shows you how to do this and why it happens. Why in this universe this is able to happen, because it's not magic, it's not woo-woo, it's physical relationships between your consciousness and the magnetic foundation of the universe. And it's a very interesting book, but it has taken a solid month of absolutely researching, double-checking, getting this stuff right, organizing it into a system where you can read it, consume it, apply it, and start manifesting. It's something we all do because we can. We just haven't been taught how on purpose. And I get into all that in that book. The idea here is what I kind of wrapped up in my working manuscript, Philosophy of Time Travel, where if you do all these things, you just have so many overlapping layers of protection that it makes it really hard to die. And I think I've come up with it. And I think it's going to be really exciting when you get this last book to see how this quartet of information. Phoenix Protocol, Neogenesis, staying here, and the science beyond manifesting will improve your life, improve your consciousness, will improve your wealth, will improve everything in your life because you're being told the truth finally. And that's what I do. Come hell or high water, I'm going to tell you the truth. And there's a lot of crap that's out there. It's not truth. Anyway, the videos will start coming back again. I just wanted to get one out there to let you know that I came out of the black hole of writing and found my way back to the beach. And I'll probably go back in and double check some spelling errors and stuff, but that's about it. I mean, it really is done. And it's exciting to be done because now I can get back to surfing more often, going out and having fun more often, and just following the protocol, the philosophy of time travel. Anyway, I love you guys. I don't monetize these, so please hit the like button. Please hit the smash button if you're, viewing it on a phone. Like it, respond to it. Let YouTube know that even though I'm not advertising, people want to see this stuff. And that's up to you. So, thank you for that. Thank you for tuning in all these years. Thank you for following my work. And I think this next book will be the cherry on top. Anyway, I love you guys. And as always, I will see you later.
Yes?
We have a message. Can you remind people to subscribe, please, sir?
What now?
Please.
Oh, very well.